In this video, I will show you how to make a full screen video in CapCut. The first step is to open the CapCut app. We are on the home page of the app, as you can see here. Next, create a new project by tapping on this option here. This will take you to your gallery where you will be able to choose the video you want to make full screen. Tap on the video so that it can be loaded to the timeline, just like you can see mine here. Once that has happened, make sure the video is not selected on the timeline. You can do this by tapping on anywhere outside of the timeline, just like I have done here. This will make the bottom menu to change, and new options that are different from the ones that were there when the video was selected appears. After that, scroll through the bottom menu and look for an option named Aspect Ratio. Here it is. Tap on it. As you can see, you will get different aspect ratios where you can choose the aspect ratio that best fits your needs. Scroll through them and choose. When you are done, the video background size will change, as you can see from here. After that, zoom in on the video by pinching on the video using your two fingers, just like I have done here, till you focus on the part you need most. That is how to make a full screen video in CapCut.